OFM Sport.
Albert, from a player's perspective, there has now, of course, been disruption with some of the guys moving on to bigger things in the URC. The latest news of Cable going to England. Um, how is the group doing? Because you've got such a nice group that you've built over the last couple of years, a lot of continuity in there. Everyone knows his space. So, as the players, how are you feeling heading into this campaign with all what has happened behind the scenes?
Hi Morgan, hi to everyone. There's news. It's always news when we lose a player and we feel it, but it doesn't have a big impact. We have a big structural and leadership group. Guys step up, so you create new opportunities for leaders to develop. So that's what happened. You get players to step up and take responsibility, and that strengthens the group. Younger guys come in, guys that's been here a year or two longer. They step up, they take responsibility, and that shapes the group well.
And just if I can follow up on that, as the Currie Cup champions, um, a team always has to keep evolving and improving. And I'm sure that there were aspects of your game where you identified. Does that put any more pressure on you, or do you see it more as I can't think of the right word, an honor that you the team that the other guys will be chasing this year in both competitions? To be quite honest.
Yeah, a lot of people tell you have a target on your back, but that's not true. Like each team has, and we want to just like previous years. Yes, we've won the Currie Cup, but that's done. That was 2025. We're in a new year, new season, and our vision stays the same. So we want to strive for the SA Cup and go for the Currie Cup again. So we have that same hunger in us. Yeah, in the team, it's easy. We have one another. Kimberley is a small place, so you have a connection with one another, and that drives it. And then you have the town. You get a connection with these people here, and then you see you're not playing just for yourself, for your own career, but there's people that comes to the stadium, and it's personal. It's a personal relationship now. Just mentioning with the mines, the mine one mine closed, and there's a lot of people that loses jobs, and we are their support, we are their hope. So then that motivates us, especially with this first game, to play for them and to give them a little bit of hope and a little bit of pleasure. Like when we came back with the Currie Cup that Sunday, it was them that were waiting for us, the whole Kimberley, and we want to play for that, and that gives us a little bit of motivation.